Washington State property tax exemption is a joke. If you're a veteran that is more than 80% disabled, you may be able to qualify to have your property taxes exempted. But there's some issues with this program, and we're going to talk about how it actually works. So how the program works is they freeze your taxable value the year that you qualify for the program. This means you pay taxes on the frozen value, not the market value. It means you pay less levies. It will opt you out of paying the excise taxes and the second school levy. And depending on your amount of income, it may help you not pay a portion of your property taxes. You have to qualify, though. The first thing in qualification is you have to own and occupy a home in Washington for at least 6 months during the assessment year. This means you can go to the hospital, you can go to an adult nursing home, you can go to an adult boarding home and go stay with your family for extended periods of time and still qualify. But if you use the home as a vacation home or a rental, you will not qualify. When we're talking about your disability, you will have to show your benefits awards letter, or you will have to send in your benefits awards letter. The verbiage on the website says you need to have a service-connected evaluation of at least 80%, or be in receipt of compensation for a service-connected disability of 100%. The hard part about qualifying for all of this is Washington State has really low income thresholds unless you live in King County. So the income threshold is the median household income in that county. So if you can make up to or less than that amount, and for the most part, you'll qualify. But the hard part is if you're a 100% disabled veteran and you are actually out there working and adulting and your spouse works, you probably make too much money. All of the counties have income thresholds in the $60,000 range, except for King County, and that one is 89, but it is still pretty low if you're 100% disabled. The other thing about the income threshold is everybody who has an interest in ownership in your household counts. So you and your spouse or your domestic partner or the other owner of the home, all of that counts towards the income threshold. In Kitsap County, it's $65,000 a year. Tax exemption. There's 3 property tax levies that are eligible for exemption. Level 3 is you're exempt from paying excise levies and the second state school levy. Generally, there's stuff that voters vote for. Then there's level 2, and I'm going to read this one. You're exempt from paying excise levies, part 2 of the state school levy, and regular levies on $50,000 or 35% of the assessed taxable value, whichever is greater, but not more than $70,000 of the taxable value. And then there's level number 1. You're exempt from paying excise levies, part 2 of the state school levy, and regular levies on $60,000 or 60% of the assessed taxable value, whichever is greater. Applying for this is pretty simple. So first, I would collect all the documents you're going to need. You're going to need your benefits awards letter, information about your property, your move-in year, what you paid for it. You will need to provide all the income documents for you and your spouse, which means all the pages of your taxes, including your Schedule C or D if you have them, and supporting documents of W-2s or 1099s. There are some expense documents that they can help take out of your pay to make it feel like you made less money, and we'll share those right here. And then you can A, go down to your county assessor's office and hand it all in, or B, you can apply online. I'll leave the links for the county assessors in the description of the video. So if you are near a big base, you can actually just click and go to the county assessor page and see the information for yourself. If you have a question that you want to ask me, ask it in the comments. I answer everything there. It helps us grow the family. If you would like to have a one-on-one meeting, my Candly link is in the description of the video. If you want to watch another video, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Every subscription helps us grow the family. I'm Byron Thomas, a veteran and a loan officer from Clear Choice Mortgage. Peace.